make you understand logarithm of SS2 from 0 to hero. Now, one thing about mathematics is that when you're given a particular topic, aside from knowing the formula, another thing you should know is the basic law that is guiding that particular topic. Now, to know logarithm part 2 of the SS2 topic, now we have some certain laws that govern this particular logarithm. Now, don't forget what logarithm is in my previous video. And now we have the law. The first law here is the product law. The product law simply says log n base b plus log n base b. Now, to simplify this, it simply means you're going to be multiplying it. Anytime you see the addition, you multiply. Same thing with division. Same scenario. If you see the minus sign, then you divide. Then we have the power law. The power law is very skeptical in the sense that when you have the base and you have the actual number is having a power, this power will transport itself over to this place at the back of this place, making it a normal number. And then lastly, we have the identity law. It says that log b base b is equal to 1, meaning if the base number and the actual number are the same figures, then it actually equates to 1. Now let's take some real life examples. Now, for instance, let's solve log 2 base 10 and log 5 base 10. Now, to actually do that, it's quite easy. Just take the base out and multiply. You say 2 times 5, and 2 times 5 gives me 10. From the identity law, anytime you have 10 and 10, then it gives me 1 as a final answer. Let's go to 2. We have log 5 base 14 minus log 2 base 5. Now, to actually do that, we know you just divide. So divide this particular stuff, and we'll be having log 7 base 5. Don't forget 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Now, to actually do this play is a bit tricky, but don't worry, it's alright. So now this 10 power 2. Yes, there are two methods of solving it. You can say 10 power 2 is 100 and solve it that way, but let's stick to the power law. This 2 will transport itself over to this place, making it 2. Then log 10 base 10 this way. Then 10 base 10 is equal to 1. That will be 2 times 1, and the answer is equal to 2. Or you solve it the normal way by saying log 10, and that's 100. Then because 10 power 2 is 100, then you equate it to x. Then you now say this one will go with this. That means 10 power x, this 10 will now lift up this x equal to the 100. Then if I simplify this, I'll be having 10 power 2, so that they will have the same base. Then I'll say x is equal to 2. So there are two ways of solving it. Stick around with us. Please subscribe to this channel. We'll be releasing other laws of logarithm, because this 4 and only the laws of logarithm. Thank you very much.